Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to talking about the consolidation debt loan. If you have been juggling multiple credit card, personal loans or other debts and want a simplified way to manage them, this video is for you. We are going to look at the top 5 debt consolidation loan in 2025 step by step. I will explain what each loan is, the key feature and the pros and whether it is good for you or not. Even if you are a complete beginner, don't worry, I will explain everything. So first thing first, we will understand what is debt consolidation. So basically, debt consolidation means taking multiple debts like credit cards, medical bills, or personal debts loan and combining them into one single loan. That way, you only have one monthly payment, one interest rate, and a clear payoff plan. It can help lower your interest rate, reduce stress, and simplify your finance. Now let's check out the top 5 lenders in 2025, what they are offering, which is best option for you. So yeah, first thing first in the first place we got Lightstream. This is perfect if you have a good excellent credit. For example, their APR range is 6.49 to 25.29. So yeah, you can get loan up to $5,000 to $1 lakh, and the minimum credit score will be 660 or above. So if you talk about the key feature of Livestream, it offers very low interest rates, especially if your credit is strong, and it takes no fees at all, no organizations fees, no prepayment fees, no, not even late fees. Now they offer flexible terms. You can stretch payment over up to 12 years, and also they have fast funding. Sometimes you get the money the same day, and should you get it, if your credit is solid and you want to low your interest rate, then you can go with Lightstream. Now if you talk about the second option, which is Sufi, the next is Sufi, and this one is stand out for offering loans of extras. Like if you see their APR range will be 8.99 to 29.99. Now they offer loan amount around $5,000 to $1 lakh. It's very similar to Lightstream. Now their minimum credit code, uh, they have not officially listed, but you have to make your credit score up to above 600. And if you talk about the key feature of Sufi, then they offer no fees of any kind. That's the huge win for you. If you are finding with no fees, then they offer high loan amount up to $1 lakh, and they give fast funding sometimes at the same day. It rates discount are very different. For example, 0.25 off if you use autopay, and another 0.25 if you have used direct deposit. Now they have extra tools as well, like free financial planning and protection if you lose your jobs. Should you get it? If you want to extra features like rate, discount, and flexibility, Sophie is a smart pick for you. Now let's talk about the lender website. So lender, we have lending club, peer-to-peer lender, which means you are borrowing from individual investor, not a bank. So their APR range is around 7.90 to 35.99. So you can take loan up to 1 lakh to 40,000, and the minimum credit score is you should be above 600. So if you talk about the key feature of the lender club, then they offer direct payments. They will pay you your creditors directly, so you don't need to worry about that. Then they offer lower starting loans, great if you only need short loans like $1,000 or $2,000. You can apply for that too. And the flexible approval is best. Peer-to-peer means more people may qualify, so it is very flexible. Should you get it, if your debt is smaller or you want someone else to pay off your creditors for you, then lending club is helpful, will be helpful for helpful option. Now let's talk about the happy money. Now happy money and the happy money, they specialize in credit card depth. Their API range is around 8.95 to 17.48. They offer loans amount is from $5,000 to $40,000, and the minimum credit score is around 640. And if you talk about the key feature, they focuses on only credit card consolidation, and the second feature is pay off credit card for your for you, very handy off. The third feature is transparent terms, what you see is what you get. And the last feature is fast approval and funding. If you are mainly struggling with credit card debt, then Happy Money designed for that. It is very simplify the whole process. Now let's talk about the last option, which is Best Egg. So Best Egg is a solid pick for people with fair credit. Their APR range is around 6.99% to 35.99, and they offer loan amount from $2,000 to $50,000. The minimum credit score is around above 600. And the key features, if you talk about key features, it offers secured loans. You can use an asset to qualify, and good for fair credit. It is easier to get approved, fast process, fast approval, and quick funding. So if your credit score isn't perfect and you want to fast funding, Best Egg gives you a great shot at approval. So this is a summary of the all apps. As you can see here, you can just go, you can just stop the video and you can see the lenders, APR range, loan amount, minimum credit score, and the key feature and advantage. So you can compare easily. If you talk about live stream, you can go for 660. So you can just compare it. Now if you talk about my opinion, which one is to pick, so I believe Lightstream is great for good credit, low rates, and no fees. And if you go for Sufi, then awesome feature, they offer awesome features, high loan limits, no fees. And if you talk about the lending clubs, then they offer great for small loans and flexible approval. And if you talk about the Happy Money, they are best if you are focused on credit card debts. Now the if you talk about the Best Egg, then it is solid pick for fair credit and fast funding. So remember, always compare rates, check your credit score, and don't borrow more than you need. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And thanks for watching.